Dryer vents are easy to overlook, but the wrong setup can leave heat, lint, and moisture hanging around your laundry space. A good indoor dryer vent can help control that mess and make the setup cleaner and easier to manage. In this video, I'm looking at the best indoor dryer vents. Each one may suit a different room, dryer setup, or budget, so stay through the full video to find the best fit for your needs. I've placed links to every product in the description. If you find the video helpful, like it, subscribe, and click the notification bell. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. With that covered, let's begin the reviews. Number 6, Vela Dryer Vent Kit. Number 6 is a budget-friendly pick for apartments, condos, or RV setups where outdoor venting is not an option. I think its biggest appeal is the 3-stage filter setup, which uses water, an iron mesh screen, and a heat-resistant lint filter to catch debris. You can choose a white or black box with no hose, a 5-foot hose, or an 8-foot silver hose. The 4-inch duct gives you a few setup choices, and the parts are made to come apart for cleaning. Installation is fairly quick, though snapping the hose onto the bucket and dryer can take some force. The water bucket needs regular care. Fill it to the marked line, then replace the water every 2 or 3 loads. The mesh and lint filters need cleaning as well, so this is not a set-it-and-forget-it option. The main concern is build quality. Some buyers report cracked plastic, weak clips, loose connections, or thin tubing that can tear. Duct tape may be needed in some setups. Still, for a low-cost indoor vent that traps lint, this can work well for light use, especially with a small electric dryer, provided the room has enough ventilation to handle the added heat and humidity. Number 5, Humsun Indoor Dryer Vent Kit. Number 5 takes a different route with a metal wall-mounted box instead of a water bucket. It lands in the budget range, yet the build feels more dependable than many low-cost plastic kits, and I think that makes it easier to trust for regular use. Inside, a stainless steel mesh screen catches larger lint, then a polyester filter handles finer dust and pet hair. 4 replacement filters come in the box, along with an 8-foot 4-inch hose, clamps, screws, anchors, and instructions. You can install it on a flat wall or on the side of the dryer, which helps with stacked laundry setups or tight spaces. A safety flap opens if lint builds up too far, letting air escape before heat becomes a bigger issue. The warm exhaust can help heat a basement or laundry room during cold months, though that same heat and moisture may make a closed room uncomfortable. Opening a window or running a dehumidifier can help. Maintenance is the main trade-off. The filter may need cleaning every other load, and some users say lint gathers at the bottom. The hose can take some effort to attach too. For shoppers who want sturdy construction, flexible mounting, and a complete kit without spending much, this is one of the stronger budget picks. Number 4, Fengend Indoor Dryer Vent Kit. Moving up to number 4, this wall-mounted option focuses on easy filter care and safer airflow. Its mid-range pricing asks a bit more than the last 2 picks, and I see the extra cost in the sturdier housing and built-in filter alert. A nylon pre-filter works with 4 washable polyester pads to catch lint before it reaches the room. The front opens with 1 knob, so the pads can be rinsed or vacuumed, then reused. A reminder flap opens as lint builds up, giving you a clear sign that cleaning is due and helping reduce excess heat. It connects to standard dryer ducting and should be installed upright, with the air inlet facing downward. Hot air returns to the room, which may add welcome warmth during winter. More humid spaces could need an open window, and steam dryers may create too much moisture. One concern is the filter material, since some buyers say it can tear during cleaning. The reminder setup can be confusing at first, too. This model is limited to electric dryers. For anyone who values simple mounting, reusable filters, and a built-in warning that takes some guesswork out of maintenance, number 4 is a smart middle-tier choice. Number 3, HG Power Metal Dryer Vent Box. At number 3, this metal vent box brings more placement freedom than the picks before it. It sits in the mid-range, and to me, the price feels fair for the metal body, full hose kit, and safety-focused design. The double filter system uses a reusable stainless steel screen with replaceable polyester pads. Together, they catch lint, dust, and pet hair before the air returns to your laundry room or garage. A magnetic flap opens if the filter gets clogged, giving you a clear reminder to clean it and helping keep heat from building inside the dryer. Setup is simple. With an 8-foot, 4-inch hose, 2 clamps, screws, and instructions included. You can mount the box upright, sideways, or upside down, so it works around tight spaces and unusual layouts. Silver and white versions are available. The filters should be cleaned every 2 or 3 uses, so expect regular upkeep. Some buyers say the seal can let a small amount of fine lint escape, and the warm exhaust may add more humidity than some rooms can handle. For a sturdy metal option with flexible mounting and a useful clog alert, number 3 gives you a strong mix of safety, convenience, and value. Number 2, Funma's Indoor Dryer Vent. Coming in at number 2, this compact unit uses 3 filter stages instead of relying on one screen. It carries a premium price tag, and I can see the extra cost going into the stainless steel filter screen, safety flap, and flexible setup. A reusable metal screen catches larger lint, a polyester layer handles finer dust, and a small drawer collects heavier debris. The drawer can hold water for added capture, or stay empty when room humidity is a concern. 5 calibration weights let you tune the safety flap, which opens if airflow drops or heat builds up. Mounting takes only a few screws, and the box should be installed with the air outlet facing upward for proper airflow. It fits a standard 4-inch dryer hose and includes 4 replacement polyester filters. Cleaning is needed every 2 or 3 loads. The metal screen can be washed, yet the polyester filter should be vacuumed rather than rinsed. There are a few drawbacks. Some buyers report hose fit problems, missing weights, or a water drawer that can crack. Warm exhaust may make summer use less comfortable too. For viewers willing to spend more for strong lint capture, easy access, and an adjustable warning flap, number 2 earns its high spot. Number 1, Better Vent Indoor Dryer Vent. Taking the top spot, this wall-mounted setup skips the water tray completely. This is a premium priced choice, and I think the higher cost makes the most sense for buyers who want strong filtration, a clear cleaning alert, and less mess during upkeep. The first layer is a reusable stainless steel screen that catches larger lint and pet hair. Behind it, a polyester filter handles finer dust and can be vacuumed several times before replacement. A safety exhaust flap opens when airflow becomes restricted, giving you a visible sign that the filters need attention. Proper calibration matters, so follow the included guide during setup. Installation is fairly simple, though you must supply your own 4-inch hose and clamps. The warm exhaust stays indoors, which can make a laundry room more comfortable in winter. Small rooms may become hot or humid, so some airflow from a door, window, or dehumidifier may be needed. Filter care can range from every load to every few loads, depending on laundry volume. Replacement filters may feel costly, and the plastic housing could show wear after long heat exposure. For dependable lint control without water cleanup, this earns the top spot for its simple design and useful safety signal. Those were my picks for the best indoor dryer vents. Before you go, check out the other videos on the channel for more product guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.